I will not start this video with welcome to my newest listing on 285 Avenue Road, Suite 501, because it sounds boring and nobody is interested beyond this phrase. So what I would like to do instead is to invite you to go shopping, to grab a cup of coffee, and to see what $2 million can buy you in the premium Toronto location, Yorkville. Living in Yorkville or steps to Yorkville is probably the best setting one can imagine if you choose to live in downtown. It automatically means that you're a few steps away from the best cup of coffee, highly ranked restaurants, best gyms, the most famous Toronto museums, world-class hotels with the amenities and spas that you can use, and the best shopping, which includes high-end brands and big retailers. And of course, if you live in Yorkville, you will find yourself in the affluent community where everybody knows each other, because Yorkville is very small and very, very exclusive. Minutes drive or 12 minutes walk and you're at home. Let me show you what it is like to live in a Yorkville newly built condominium in one of the best suites there. If you live on 285 Avenue Road, and particularly in the suite 501, you leave your car at the designated underground parking and take this private elevator which takes you directly to the unit. Now, when we are at the unit, let me show you what else is great about this condo. This condo has a few features that usually could be found in single-family homes, and that is a powder room, which is isolated from the main area, a separate laundry room with a decent storage space, and the latest models of washer and dryer, and of course, a private access to this unit when you don't have to see your neighbors at all. A very important feature of this condo for many buyers is a true split layout, where you have the bedrooms on opposite sides with individual full bathrooms. It is convenient for your own use. Imagine you have a teenager living with you or your relatives or friends visiting, and it's also very rewarding if you buy this condo as an investment. It is proven that 2-bedroom split floor plan units rent for more. This floor plan is not only functional but also allows to aesthetically enjoy living here. You can cook and watch the residential area especially beautiful during sunset. Let me take you to rooftop terrace, which I think is one of the best in Toronto. It is a 360-degree view, opens to the south, Yorkville downtown and CN Tower. East and west views speak for themselves. So what is this property in numbers? 2 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, 1 parking spot, 1 locker, 1,105 square feet of the living space plus 115 square feet of the balcony. Monthly maintenance fee is a little bit over $1,300. Annual property fees a little bit over $5,800. Hope you enjoyed the tour. For the price, more information about this condo, or to book your private tour, please contact me at 647-294-3039 or by email olena@agentolena.com. This property is proudly presented by me as a listing agent and Toronto Sotheby's Central Office. Let us know what your real estate plans for this or the next year are.